Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at dannygs.thoughtfultoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Girard. The Authentic Soul. Focus on you, the depth of your being, and allow God to mold you and change you. Don't live in disguise, and don't allow others to steer you off course or convince you of their truth. Be the authentic soul you truly are, that lives inside you and that's destined to be. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And I should believe that you should follow your heart. Just like this poem says, your authentic self, your soul, what's deep down inside your heart. Follow that. That's what you're here for, I believe. I don't believe you should be listening to other people's opinions if it doesn't align with yours, because their opinion of life is completely different than yours in most cases. So I follow your heart because that's where your true love is and where your true happiness is. Not with somebody else's alignment, but with your own. Let go of the ego. Just follow your love. You'll always be happy, I believe. Thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.